Hi guys, I made signs for an egg hunt and here's what I did. For supplies, you'll need colored cardstock, a glue gun, templates, skewers, pencil, scissors, paintbrush and white paint or a white pen, and mini pom-poms. Trace each template onto cardstock twice for the front and back. Then cut them out. Add details and go over them with a white pen or paint. For the carrot template, glue the root to the leaves. I lined the mirror pieces before gluing them so that they'd match. Glue a skewer to the back of one side. Align the mirror piece on top and glue it. I added pom-poms to the bunny's tail. Stick them in grass, add your eggs, and your signs are done.